Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how you can make use of the matched audiences option, which we get on the LinkedIn ads platform. So let's have a look at this. So as we spoke earlier also, matched audiences are those audiences which are basically our audience, which who have interacted with our website, our lead forms, or company page, and we've collected their data. So how do you set it up? That is what we are going to see here. So once you're on the home page of the campaign, then we can go to plan. In plan, we can go to audiences. This is where you will be able to get, as you can see, it says matched audience, which you can create over here. So let's say I want to create a match audience for people who are going to interact with my lead form. So we can create an audience with matched audience here. And these are the options which you will get. So sources, this is going to be the company list or contact list, which we had talked about earlier as well. So if you want to upload a list of all the contacts, their name, email address, or company details, then you can use this. Otherwise, we can use the second option where we want to retarget our LinkedIn ads to people who have interacted with us on our company page or conversion specifically, events which we set up on LinkedIn, and so on and so forth. So for now, let's say I want to go ahead and retarget to those people who have interacted with my lead form. So in that case, we can choose lead gen form, and now we can give name to this audience. And now you can see it also gives me how did they engage. So there are options which we can look at. Anyone who opened your lead gen form or only people who submitted your lead gen form. So you can choose any of these. And when did they engage? So you can give a time period as well. Last 30 days, 60 days. You can choose that as well. Similarly, if you change this and let's say we want to target those people who interacted with us on our website. So let's see this. For website now, we can give a name to the website. We can give it a name, let's say website audience. And we can give the period. For the last 30 days, the people who visited our website, we want to target them. So like this, you can create different types of matched audiences right here. Let's see one more, which is going to be, let's say, event. People who interacted with our event, right? So event audience, we can name them. And how did they engage? People who marked themselves as attending the event. We can target them separately. People who viewed at least 2 seconds of your event ad, then we can target them. People who viewed at least 25%, 50%, 75%, 97% of the event ad. Any interactions with your event ad. People who performed chargeable clicks on your event ad. So any of these actions you can select and make a matched audience segment for yourself and target those users going forward. So this is how matched audience segment can be used very effectively to target various kinds of users who are interacting with your ads, your website, your forms, your events, and then we can follow them with our LinkedIn ads. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand now how matched audience is going to work for us. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.